this is Nyx85. Today I have a very special unboxing. It is the Shining Legends Trainer Box. I've been collecting Pokemon for about 12 years now, and I've never actually bought this box before. I actually watched Supreme Arcanines open this box on his YouTube channel, so it gave me the idea, because I don't actually have any Shining Legends in my collection. So let's just go ahead and open this up. Give me a sec. Take off plastic. There we go. Okay. Now. Ooh. Okay, so in this box comes the Shining Legends Player's Guide, and then, woo, we have the Ho-Oh card sleeves. We have the Ho-Oh dividers. A pack of energy cards, some dice, which will just get added into my collection that I have upstairs, and the Poison GX and bandage coins. The TCG Online gaming card. And then the Fiesta de Resistance. Oh, here we go. We have this Shining Legends booster packs. And then there's this Shining Ho-Oh promo card. And we actually have Mewtwo, there's Mew, and Genesect, and Rayquaza. So, let's see here, which order am I going to open them in? We have more Mewtwo than we do of the other ones, so I'm just going to open one at a time. Here we go. Card trick for this one is 4, I believe. So we have the Metal Energy, Incineroar, Pokemon Catcher, Super Scoop Up, Purloin, Voltorb, Golett, Weasel, Scraggy, the reverse Litten, and oh my god, it's a Shaman. And I do not have this one. Is that a rare? Yeah. Wait, yes it is. It's a rare. Cool. Wow, that is totally awesome. Like this one has to go on a sleeve. If I can get them open. Here we go. There. Here's my first card of this pack. There we go. Oh, and it falls over. Okay. Let's open a Mew now. Take out that one. 1, 2, 3, 4 to the front. And now we have a water, a Golurk, a Floatzel, a Scrafty, Minun, Qwilfish, Zora, Plusle, Bulbasaur, Reverse Voltorb, and a rare Zekrom. Ooh, that was nice. Very nice. No shinings yet, but we still have a lot of packs to go. So I'm hopefully for at least one pull out of this box. Maybe two. Two would be nice, but at least one, because I actually don't have any. So if I could get one shining, that'd be awesome. One, two, three, four. So there's a Psychic Energy, a Howl, an Incineroar, a Pokemon Catcher, a Torkoal, an Ivysaur, another Zora, a Litten, a Qwilfish, ooh, a reverse Manaphy, and the rare is holy Firo, it's a Raichu GX. Look at that. Oh my god. I don't have one of these. This is super awesome. My son would be so jealous right now, because he's a big Pikachu fan and Raichu fan. So that is really cool. Okay. Next one. Yeah, let's do Rayquaza. One, two, three, four. Grass Energy, a Floatzel, an Arbok. See if you can see these here. Pokemon Raider, Ekans, Golett, Voltorb, a Croconaw, a Scraggy, a reverse Yveltal, and the rare is a Hollow Palkia. I actually don't have Palkia in my collection either, so this is really good. This is wow. These are awesome. Okay, next pack. Nope. Let's do this. 1, 2, 3, 4. To the front. A dark Lily. Volcarona. Nope. A Golurk. A Golett. A Voltorb again. Another Croconaw. Scraggy. Torracat. A reverse Purrloin. And another Raichu GX. Wow. Not what I expected, but nonetheless, I'll take it. So, let's do another Mewtwo. 1, 2, 3, 4 to the front. So there's a, it's a little bright, so I turn the flash off, or the light off. Grass Energy, an Ultra Ball, a Venusaur, a Spiritomb, a Torracat, Plusle, Buizel, Totodile, Torkoal, a reverse Shroomish, and the rare of this pack is another holo Zekrom. So another double, which is fine. And we're halfway through the box now, so 4 left. Which one do I want to do next? Let's do Rayquaza. One, two, three, 4 to the front. Okay, so Fire Energy, Super Scoop Up, Spiritomb, Incineroar, Litten, Larvestar, Purloin, Minun. Oop, sorry guys, spoiling it there. Stunfisk, a holo Lily, or foil Lily, and a rare Raikou. Good, good. Next pack. One, two, three, 4 to the front. A water or lightning energy, a regular Lily, an Ultra Ball, Venusaur, Purloin, Voltorb, Golett, Buizel, Scraggy, a Pokemon breeder, holo, and the rare of this pack is a Hoopa, a holo Hoopa. Cool. I actually don't have Hoopa either, so that's a good pull for me. I don't have that form of Hoopa. I have the other form of him actually. 2 packs left. One, two, three, 4 to the front. Lightning Energy, Pokemon Catcher, Liepard, Feraligatr, Totodile, Litten, a Purloin, Voltorb, Golett, a reverse Spiritomb, and another Zekrom. Wow, my goodness. 3 Zekroms. No shinings yet. What the heck? Oh well. Last pack. Please be something good. Please be something good. Please be something good. If I don't get any shinings out of this entire box, I'll be very, I don't know, disappointed, but, you know, I guess that's the way the booster packs go. 1, 2, 3, 4, because they're all random, right? So, Fairy, Venusaur, Arbok, Carnivine, a Golett, a Voltorb, a Croconaw, Scraggy, Torracat, a reverse Pikachu, and a Manaphy. The rare is the Manaphy. So, no shiny Pokemon at all in this box. Oh well. Better luck next time, I guess. I can't believe out of all the cards that I got, though, I got one Shaman, one Manaphy, one Palkia, two Raichu GXs, three Zakrons, like, what the heck? Three of them. One Raikou and one Hoopa. So, pretty good cards. Good cards altogether. Anyways, if you'd like to watch me do another unboxing, press the like button or comment below. Maybe you have suggestions for a box or a pack or from the Pokemon series that you'd like me to unveil or unbox and post. So subscribe to my channel if you want updates on any of the Pokemon boxes that I have done in the past or will do in the future. I might be willing to trade out some of my doubles here. Yeah. This is Nix85 signing off for the night. Good night. Bye.